Hi friends, welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you 5 quick and easy and delicious dinner recipes. If you've been around my channel, you know that I always mention we are crazy busy right now. We've got a lot going on. So I love simple meals. So if you are just like us and you want to get a good dinner on the table for your family, I've got some awesome recipes for you. So let's check out these 5 dinner recipes. I'm going to cook up some chicken on the stove. I'm adding in my olive oil and I have my pan heating. I'm going to add in my chicken pieces that I have cut into some smaller pieces. I'm adding on some garlic powder to season and whatever your favorite chicken seasonings are. This is going to be a chicken teriyaki rice type bowl. Super easy and we love this one. I am just really into teriyaki sauces right now, so this one is one of my favorite. So I added on my paprika and garlic powder and I'm going to flip these over. I'm going to cook up some rice. I have 1 cup of rice and 1.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then I'll put the lid on, take it down to low and let that steam until it's done. I'm going to do some broccoli in my steamer basket. Broccoli is our favorite veggie. Always, we do broccoli at least once or twice a week. So this is just such a great combo with this sugar-free teriyaki sauce. I am obsessed with it. This brand makes the best sauces. So chicken, rice, broccoli, and then this amazing sauce, perfect dinner. So I'm going to do a Santa Fe chicken in the crock pot. Really, really good for burritos or burrito bowls. I'm going to serve this tonight with a side of rice. And I'm going to do it 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, or you can use a taco packet if you'd like. But I have 2 diced up chicken breasts, a can of drained black beans, washed and drained, can of corn drained, and a can of rotel. So really easy. I'm going to cook this on low for about 6 hours. And then this chicken just will shred into some smaller pieces. And I'm going to serve it with a side of rice. But like I said, you can serve this on a tortilla, as a burrito, or any kind of way you would like. Add on some shredded cheddar cheese and you're good. I'm going to be doing some shrimp. I love shrimp. So my shrimp is defrosted and I have the tails on. It is deveined. So I am adding in some garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika. And shrimp, I just love how quick it cooks and it is just so delicious. I'm going to do kind of like a fried rice with this shrimp, but I'm going to use cauliflower rice. We eat a lot of rice in our house, and sometimes I like to mix it up with some cauliflower rice, which is nice and healthy as well. So I'm going to add in some frozen peas and carrots, about 1 cup, and I'm going to add in my riced cauliflower. It just steams in this bag, so I just steamed it, and now I will add it in. Give this a little stir. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and this is just really awesome. You can do regular rice if you'd like for this fried rice, but I'm going to give it a little stir, and now I'm going to make some room to crack 2 eggs in here. I just love eggs in fried rice. It is just definitely a must for me. So 2 eggs, and then I will kind of mix them around, let these cook. And then this cauliflower fried rice will be ready to go. Nice and healthy, nice and light dinner. I really like lighter dinners. I do not like to get super full in the evening time. And so this is just a perfect, nice, light dinner. Shrimp is just always one of my favorites. I'm adding on this Japanese steak sauce. It's like a teriyaki sauce, but it is really yummy. So just a drizzle of this or your favorite teriyaki. Chicken Caesar salad is one of my favorite things. I could eat it every single night, honestly. But I have my lettuce, I have my diced up chicken, and I have some croutons and my favorite Caesar dressing. But I'm going to make this Caesar salad into a pita. So I will toss the salad, mix the dressing all up, and I'm going to add it onto the top of this pita bread. And then to eat it, you just fold it up kind of like a taco and eat it that way. And this is just a really great little tiny twist on having a chicken Caesar salad, and really, really yummy. So I'm going to do a cauliflower soup. 2 heads of cauliflower in my crock pot. I have half a cup of shredded carrot. I have half a cup of onion diced up. I'm going to do some minced garlic. I have a tablespoon of minced garlic. Some Italian seasoning. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning in this. And then I'm going to add in my chicken broth that I make with my Better Than bouillon. I'm doing 4 cups of the chicken broth. So I'm going to let this cook in my crock pot on low for 8 hours, and then it'll be nice and soft. Here it is after it's been cooking. I'm going to mash it with this is my ground beef masher, but I'm just going to mash up the cauliflower with this a little bit. And now I'm going to use my immersion blender to make it a little bit more smooth and creamy. Just lots and lots of veggies in this one. I've been trying to eat a lot more veggies, so this soup is so good. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.